Hello everyone. Today's video is going to focus on 4 new styles that we're adding to our Select Custom baseball and softball line for 2020. So if you would, please grab your new Spring 2020 catalog and you can follow along. If you would, turn to pages 8 or to page 15. 8 being the baseball offerings, 15 of course being the softball offerings. They're going to be the same designs, obviously just gender specific. So solid color on the left-hand side, baseball jersey and pant. The jersey, men's style PB 505JM and softball PS 507JW are going to feature our solid 75 fabric knit in a dyed color. So up to this point you've seen Select Custom in fully sublimated. Now we're going to offer a add-on decoration dyed fabric full button front offering for solid. So this will be alpha size, as I mentioned, 75 fabric in either navy, vintage white as I'm showing here, vintage blue, black, university red. So any of the colors that are available on are shown on the color chart in the 75 fabric now apply. Okay? So the style on the solid, the cut is actually going to be a curved raglan sleeve, shirt tail bottom, tapered body, as I mentioned, alpha sizing. The pricing includes a sublimated 1-layer team name, numbers front and numbers back. Also included in the price is going to be 1/2-inch neck braid. We can go 1/2-inch sleeve end braid, 1/2-inch button front braid as shown here, 1 row, 3/16" button front piping, or 3/16 sleeve piping. So all of those are included in the price, decorated with those options. Okay? Pants, same page. On the baseball side, PB 506 PM and softball PS 509 PW, 2-snap, zipper fly, tunnel belt loops, gripper elastic waist, fully seam covered, lined knees, and my pricing includes it could be either plain or with 3/16" piping or with 1/2-inch side braid. Okay? Alpha sizing, as I mentioned with the jersey. On the men's side, I choose inseams of 27, 29, 31, 33, 35, or 37, and the finish will be hemmed at the bottom. Okay? On the softball side, alpha size waist, inseams of 23, 25, 27, 29, 31, or 33, and then the finish will either be hemmed with or without the elastic. You need to tell us. Okay? So we've got a couple different finishes on the bottom of the softball pants. Also at the bottom, on page 8 or 15, we're offering knicker length pants in the solid color. So baseball PB 510 PM and on softball PS 512 PW will be an 18-inch solid color baseball or softball pant. You can certainly mix and match knicker length with the full length, no problem. Okay? All right, moving over then to the right side of either one of those pages will be pinstripes. You've been asking for a pinstripe. We're bringing it in the line. So white with black, midnight navy, royal, or university red. Jersey style number on the baseball side, PB 500JM. On the softball, PS 502JW. The fit is going to be a set-in sleeve with a scallop bottom and more of our traditional body fit. And then pricing will include, just like we do on the solid color, pricing will include a sublimated 1-layer tackle twill team name, numbers front, and numbers back. On the options, we also will be able to include in the price 1/2-inch neck braid or 1/2-inch sleeve braid on the pinstripe jersey. Pants, so same pages 8 or 15, right below there, the same features we just talked about on the solids, 2-snap, zipper fly, tunnel belt loops, 2 set-in pockets, gripper elastic waist, lined knees, fully seam covered, PB 501 PM baseball pant, PS 504 PW on the pinstripe softball pant. there is an option for 1/2-inch side braid on the pinstripe pants. Again, same inseam lengths available on the solids as we do on the pinstripe. Then at the bottom of page 8 or 15 is also a knicker length pinstripe pant, which is an 18-inch inseam, PB 511 PM on the men's baseball side, PS 514 PW on the softball side. So now we have pinstripes available. Over on page 21, just a couple of options I want to just touch on real quick. Over on the right-hand side, about halfway down where it says non-sublimated jersey offerings or non-sublimated jersey lettering details, the two features I want to spend a little bit of time on. Additional logo. So if I want an additional sublimated Pats logo, maybe on the sleeve, just send us in the artwork. It's an additional $10 list. We also can do an embroidered US flag, maybe at the back neck area, also on the sleeves, for an additional $11 list. So some nice new offerings as opposed to fully sublimated. Now we're going to go with dyed fabric, knits with full button fronts and conventional pants. After you've had a chance to look at the products and look at the catalog, if you have further questions, contact our outstanding customer service department or your power sales agent. Thanks.